Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys ice cream sandwiches 3 different ways because it's summer. If it's hot like it is where I live, it's scorching, and these are the perfect cool treat for when it's super hot outside, and they're really fun. So I've got 3 different ones for you guys. I'm going to leave my healthy desserts playlist down below, as well as my free healthy dessert ebook that you should definitely download if you haven't, because you get free healthy desserts in an ebook. So it's a win-win. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first ice cream sandwich we're making is this cookie dough version. I'm starting off with coconut flour, and to that I'm adding in a pinch of Himalayan salt, which brings out the sweetness, a little bit of vanilla for flavor, as well as a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then I'm going to be adding in some almond butter, but you can do any kind of nut or seed butter that you have. These are really great because they're high in healthy fats, loaded with vitamin E, and it's going to help satisfy and keep you full, which is key so you're not having all those cravings. So just fold all of those ingredients together, and then you'll get a nice cookie dough mixture. Now you can definitely also bake this if you wanted a cooked cookie ice cream sandwich, but we're making a raw cookie dough version. Then I'm adding in some dairy-free, sugar-free chocolate chunks. I use the Lily's brand. I get a lot of questions about that, and it's just the brand that I love and I buy. So fold that in, and then you are going to make your nice cream or your ice cream. So I'm using an instant version that we're going to use frozen bananas. All you do is you take frozen bananas, put it in the blender with a little bit of vanilla, and you blend it up until you get this nice thick consistency. So you don't add any almond milk, any liquid, you get this nice thick texture. You can also use your favorite dairy-free ice cream from the store, but I wanted to show you a really quick instant version if you want to make it at home or you can't find dairy-free ice cream nearby you. So just take out your banana nice cream and scoop that onto half of the cookie dough. So I took the cookie dough and I rolled it between 2 halves of parchment paper, about a 1/4 inch thick, and then I'm spreading this on the top. And then I'm going to take the other half of the cookie dough and lay that on top so that we can make sandwiches. And this made about 6 sandwiches or ice cream sandwiches for me. And then I'm taking a knife and just slicing that, and I would store these either if you're not eating them immediately, definitely put them in the freezer right away because the ice cream will start to melt. But I love how easy this is to make. This would also make a really good kind of ice cream cake if you're doing it for a special occasion or an event this summer. But these are so delicious and definitely what I'm having for dessert tonight. Next up, we're making a sweet potato toast version, and I'm obsessed with this because first off, when you bake sweet potato and you make sweet potato toast, it tastes sweet, hence sweet potato. So it works really well as a vessel for a great paleo ice cream sandwich that doesn't use any fancy flours that either you may not be able to find or you might find expensive, because sweet potatoes are really affordable. So all you do is slice up your sweet potato into rounds, and you're gonna bake that off at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And that way you have these nice soft sweet potatoes that we can use as a vessel. So I'm taking a little bit of the leftover nice cream from the first recipe, and I'm putting that between 2 of my sweet potato rounds that are about the same size and putting that on the top. And then I am going to dip it into some paleo chocolate. This is optional. I will leave a homemade version down below, but this time I just literally melted the chocolate chips from Lily's. But again, you can definitely make your own, and I'll leave that recipe down below. And I finished it off with a few more of the chocolate chips that weren't melted. I've also done this with just a store-bought dairy-free ice cream that's just a plain vanilla, but you could do chocolate, mint, any kind of ice cream that you like. I did make a healthy ice cream video a couple weeks back where we made mint chip and chocolate cookie dough and strawberry. So I'm going to leave that one and my other nice cream recipe down below so that you guys can watch that if you want to change up the fillings of these. But guys, they turned out so delicious, and it's such an easy way to make an ice cream sandwich at home. And then we are making a more tropical pineapple version. So I took some canned pineapple because I find that this way the shapes are all the same and they're all smaller. You can definitely use fresh pineapple rounds, but if you see a pineapple in the store, it's quite a bit larger than these. These are about 3 inches wide. So if you're gonna use it, you're gonna get probably giant ice cream sandwiches. So I would suggest just using these ones, rinse them off, and then sandwich that between either some nice cream or your favorite dairy-free ice cream. And then I decided to roll the sides in some unsweetened coconut. I find the coconut really works well with the pineapple here, and also especially because this one is a coconut-based dairy-free ice cream, as many of them are. And what's great about this is that you can also use grilled pineapple. So if you're having a barbecue, throw the pineapple on the grill and then scoop the ice cream in between them and then finish it off with a coconut. But that's going to be more of like an instant dessert versus these you can definitely make in advance and store in the freezer. But they are so good, a little bit tropical, but so incredibly delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me any requests down below. Also, don't forget to watch my healthy dessert playlist here so you can see lots more healthy dessert ideas. They're all really good for you. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, but they taste oh so good. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.